Howdy, folks. We're live at 10:04, and we're running a mini for Jimmy's AFA Boushh figure. I got 40 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random. Top 3 win spots in the main. Paste them in here. There they are, 1 through 40. Gonna roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5, which we got. We got a 6, so we're good to go. Good luck, folks. Troy, round 1. Steve, 2. Gary, 3. Troy again on top for 4. Steve, round 5, and our winners are Todd, Steve, and Gary. Congrats, guys. Here's the verification code and official results. ISHVDP. There they are, which means, once again, I'm done. This time at 10:05 p.m. There you have it. Again, here's the official results. Congrats, fellas. See you next time. Thanks.